What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and today is going to be a little different video because I'm going to be doing unboxing of this random box from YouTube. Honestly, I have no expectation from this box to come into my house. I was like, what is this box? And then I read the label and it's from YouTube, and I was really excited to show you guys and let's see what's inside. I honestly did not expect anything to get from YouTube, so it's really surprising. Alright, let's pop this open. Ooh, I see YouTube logo. Wow, look at that well-packaged form over here. Boom, look at that. YouTube. Is this another play button or something? Look how thin this one is. Well, let's open it up and find out what it looks like on the inside. Nice, there's a little envelope with a bow. Very beautiful. Whoa, look at that! Crazy Russian Hacker, another play button, but it's not really a play button because there's no button on it or play button. It's just my logo, Crazy Russian Hacker, my new logo with stars, and right here it says Crazy Russian Hacker and YouTube on the bottom. Awesome, we're gonna hang it somewhere right here in the studio. Let me pop this open just to see what it looks like. Nice, really nicely framed done. And right here in the background, look at that. I don't know if you can see. You see, it's all of you guys' top comments. So it says, Taras, this was cool. I love how you say cucumber. Cucumber, and they actually spelled it out, cucumber. That's so funny. You guys are amazing with your comments. You're my favorite British YouTuber. I'm not British. What am I? Sound like British? LMAO. Best collab ever. I watched this video twice just because it was so satisfying. Great video as always. Keep up the great work. Imagine Taras making prank videos, smiley face. Wow, thank you for showing this cool gadget. I think I'll buy one for my dog when we go to the park. And there's lots of other comments. I'm gonna read them all over time. This man is amazing, smiley face. Always so positive. Epic. Is this new favorite word? This guy's house is definitely full of gadgets. Yes, it is, and a lot of them I actually use. I love those gadgets. Man, this thing is so awesome. I'm so happy YouTube sent it to me and they personalized it by your guys' comments. So it's almost like we both got an award from YouTube. Everybody who have left this comment, maybe you guys can recognize it. Maybe it's one of your comments. But I'm sure they picked out the most popular comments and put it on glass. This is amazing. And let's see what else we got in here. Ooh, check this out. In the back of the note. What is this? Oh my gosh. Wow. Sharing is caring, and that's why we made some extra poster for you to share with your fans as well. No way. Did they really? Look at that. They even give me a pen to sign them and give them away. Guess what, guys? Should we do a giveaway? I think we will do a giveaway. I have to come up with some kind of giveaway plan so that way it's fair. So in a future video, I probably will do a giveaway. Whoa, it's already in envelopes. No way. Wow. Guys, check this out. Boom, who wants a poster like this of Crazy Russian Hacker? Original YouTube poster. So you know what, I gotta set up a giveaway, guys. Well guys, I had no idea YouTube actually sent me something to give away to my fans, and it's actually really surprising. And I wanna set up a giveaway first before I'm gonna start a giveaway. So maybe on Gleam like everybody else do it on some kind of website. So let me set it up and definitely watch my future videos in the next 2 or 3 videos within a week, maybe 10 days maximum. I'm gonna set up this giveaway. So definitely don't wanna miss that. Stay tuned to those next videos. You might see a giveaway in one of those videos on this channel. But yeah guys, how amazing is this? This is YouTube actually care about us. They send you cool stuff like this. They even send extra posters to give away to fans. Honestly, YouTube is the best. They care about us and their community. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Huge thumbs up for me. So if you enjoyed this video, please give this a thumbs up. Also, let me know in comments below if you're excited about giveaway. Don't miss out my near future videos, because if you miss my videos, you might miss out on the giveaway. And this is one of a kind for sure, because it's made by YouTube. I will sign it and I'll give it away. So this giveaway probably will be the best giveaway ever that I will ever do, because it's from YouTube that I can give away. Mind blown. I'm so excited for this giveaway. Anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.